Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best router bearings and bit repair parts that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best router bearings and bit repair parts. Whiteside Machine Company has been in the router bit business for over 0 years, providing customer with quality products while at the same time striving to achieve complete customer satisfaction. Several woodworking magazines have tested Whiteside versus the competition and selected Whiteside as the winner for best router bits available in the market. Number 5. Double roller bearings, steel bearings for precision high-speed motors. The products are mainly used in high-speed motors, precision motors and other equipment with high precision requirements. Main features: made of bearing steel material, durable and resistant, exquisite mechanical design. Number 4. Deep groove ball bearings, high accuracy bearings. Stable performance, long service life and high reliability. Fine workmanship, smooth surface, excellent mechanical properties. Main features: corrosion resistance and rust resistance, exquisite mechanical design, made of premium steel material. Number 3. Yakimo's 5 pieces router bits replacement bearings. The high-quality metal miniature bearing with low noise to ensure a more comfortable working, water and foreign matter or any possible contamination. Main features: made of high-quality metal, easy to installation, double shielded design. Number 2. ICH 5PC 1/4 inch the shank ball bearing for router bit. Deep groove geometry for supporting both radial, shielded to keep out unwanted wood dust and ships that greatly reduce bearing life. Main features: fast and easy to use, made from solid alloy steel, axial loads and high speeds. Number 1. Activist's 5 pieces router bit bearings replacement kit. Contains bearings, set screws and Allen wrench to fix any manufacturer's bits. Replace worn out bearings, convert regular bits into pattern cutters. Main features: axial loads and high speeds. Made of high quality carbide steel. Elaborate design. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.